there really aren't that many names on the dividend aristocrat list, and like you said, we'll talk about it later. But they're mostly utilities, which is a fairly stable industry for now. Who knows the disruption that solar and wind power and renewable energy will cause? But for the last 100 years or however long, we've really been relying on coal and natural gas power and steam power and everything. Utilities have been the real only consistent dividend payers in the energy industry.
And surprisingly, they haven't done as great as I think so many people say. I mean,
I think it's one of those just old tales.
Well, it's regulated. Regulators try to basically guarantee a certain
and at one point they were able to grow, but population in the U.S. is kind of stabilized, so we're not in need of so many new power plants as we were back in the 40s, 50s, 60s when the baby boom was coming on. And now all those folks are old. They're living in their houses. They have kids, but they're having kids at a lesser rate. Even our generation now is having kids at a lesser rate than that. So you're seeing population
throw in energy efficiency, and you're looking at flat to 1% electricity growth. And if you even look at like what you'd call the storied names in utilities, you think of somebody like a Southern Company, a Duke Energy, somebody like that. They've cut their dividends actually multiple times in the past 10, 15 years.
Did they do any, because Taylor was talking about prudence and during good times and everything, did they overreach, like get into natural gas when it was $13? Like what?
Well, these projects take forever to build, so sometimes it's not overreaching when it takes place, but if 5 people have a nuclear power plant or a big coal plant coming online in the next 5 years and they all come on that line at once, they're like, well, we didn't really expect that to happen.
Oops.
So much for that one.
Yeah, had 1 or 2 of them come online, sure, they'd be sitting pretty, but everybody wants a piece of that.